other side of it, on the across the street from it. Look at that. Look at that. Here's where the county never regraded it. See all this brush that's built up in here and all the soil that's built up? So it doesn't really go at a downhill slope. So yes, of course it's going to back up. It's going to back up by 8 o'clock tonight over here, and we're going to have a massive flood. It's all the way up to there. Look down the way. It's already coming up a little bit to the back of those houses down there. So yeah, definitely going to flood. Look at that. See how it's not flowing? That's just wrong that they did this. It's been 10 years now. They haven't rechanneled this creek so it will flow to the river. They just let it overgrow like this. The only thing they do is they come and clean out the basin right here, and then on the other side right at the basin. But they never channeled it down so it'll flow properly. There's no downhill grade on this flowing to the river.